Deem calm. West Indies won the toss for the fourth time in a row. They put Pakistan in. We join it in the first over. Bishop bowling to Sohail.
And that's well struck. Long chase around here for Ambrose, but he won't get there. So 4 runs to Amir Sohail. That's gone. Umpire Johnson raises a finger, and Ramiz Raja leg before to Ian Bishop. The West Indies strike in the third over. Ambrose can't get there. Very fine deflection for 4. Logie, a run-out chance, and fumbled. He was gone for all the world.
Yes, I dare say that was fairly painful. Oh, that was a lovely shot. A beautiful flowing off drive by Sohail. The sort of stroke to drive. Oh, it's going to be out. That really is a waste of a wicket. It had been a productive over for Amir Sohail so far. Then 52 for 2. Well, that's out, and it was not a good shot. You could see Inzamam ul Haq follow that one. So that is another important wicket for the West Indies.
Well, he decided to go after him here, Basit Ali. He's taken that as a deliberate stroke and well struck us them with the exception of the Queen's Park Oval. Well, he's now decided to go, and he's got it over the top. He struck that pretty well. Perhaps not quite as far over the top as he... It's a lovely shot. Bishop won't get there. That's gone for 4. That's beautifully played by Basit Ali. He's bowled him. Javed Miandad. Ambrose strikes. And a good wicket for the West Indies.
Javed on the back foot. And he is such a difficult man. 111 for 4.
That's a lovely stroke there. 4 more. Oh, and that's a good pull by Asif Mushtaba. He got that one in the middle of the bat. 156 for 4.
He's dragged it on, so Basit Ali goes. Very good innings by Basit. Well, he hasn't lasted very long this time either, Wasim Akram. He was in absolutely no position. And Courtney Walsh strikes.
Any productive shot at all. 161 for 6, Pakistan.
And what a comfortable return catch. Off the leading edge, just popped up. And here's Hoop. Oh my goodness, he's gone. Just clipped the stumps. Hesitation by Walker. Just gave. That's a good hit. He's hit that right over the top. There's no one deep. And he's planted it over mid-off, dropping for 8. And he's gone. He's deflected the ball into the stumps. Ian Bishop
Added to take the final score to 186 for 9 in 50 overs, with newcomer Basit Ali showing he's one to watch, and Lara.
There you are. What a delivery. He's gone straight through the slips. And here it is again. It nicks. Oh my goodness me.
Time to Haynes. Oh, it was uppish, but it was very well played by Desmond Haynes. He got on top of it. It went to wide of slip. The big appeal, he's gone, he's caught behind. Well, that was Lara having a flash outside the off stump. So the wicket that Pakistan wanted has been got. Lara is out.
And Port of Spain. 14 for 1.
And the second wicket has gone down. Desmond Haynes on the back foot to Wasim Akram.
It's a short of a length delivery. Desmond Haynes plays back, the ball keeps low, and that's plumb. That hit him.
He won in Port of Spain on Saturday. Oh, that was a beauty. He's caught behind. He's gone, Richardson. It found the edge of the bat. Latif has taken the catch, and that is the third West Indian wicket.
Latif, and that was the wicket Pakistan wanted, Richardson.
19 for 3. Oh, my goodness me, how did that miss the edge?
Yes.
Rahman appealing posthumously still.
That's a typical Phil Simmons shot. He's hit it over the top. Well, he's gone with him again, this time backward of point for 4. Just seems to have wrenched his back a little bit. Past where second slip would have been. Desperate diving effort, can't get there. Well, there's an appeal for caught behind. He's going to walk. So Phil Simmons walks, cutting outside the off stump.
Just enough movement there for Phil Simmons to get the edge. West Indies now 4.
Well, very confident appeal, but umpire Johnson is unmoved.
Under in strike. Oh, and that's gone right through him. Amir Sohail nearly defied the odds and got a wicket. Oh, it bowled him. It's a beautiful delivery. It pitched about Midland leg. It turned and hit Midland off. Look at that.
On the onside, nobody saving the single. Look how it opens him up to push the leg, turns, hits the stump. Perfect delivery.
Oh, that's his last ball, which...
The bowl.
In the air, he's gone. First ball, he's got the wicket of Logie. Caught by Wasim Akram at short extra cover.
Just watch, it's not really that far pitched up, but Logie really played a bad shot, I'm afraid.
Sohail. Tomorrow, and that's going for 6. That's almost gone to Grenada. It hit the top of the Michael Findlay Pavilion, the most fearful crack. And he
Just watch this now, he hits it against the spin, he hits it over between mid-wicket and mid-on.
West Indies have reached 3 figures, 100 for 6. Well, that's off the boot into the stumps. Bottom of the bat, boot, Yorker, in-swinger. And the typical Waqar Younis delivery, doing the business for Pakistan.
Yes, that was a great ball. It was a perfect ball for a lateral and a batsman. Just watch the late swing, it just swerved in.
In the air, and a catch for Javed Miandad. So Adams goes, trying to hit over the top as he had to, and a comfortable catch to Javed Miandad. So down the ground and back goes the catcher, and he's dropped it. Wasim Akram, the captain, got there in time, seemed to have everything right, both hands, and put it down. And that's the end of Ambrose. Well bowled by Wasim Akram. Ambrose giving himself room. Akram seeing him backing 9 down now, the West Indies, 134 for 9. Well, at least the back of the... He struck that well down the ground. That's a good hit by Ian Bishop for 4. That's it, the end of the innings. Pakistan have won. They leveled the series. Walsh out, leg before wicket to Azim Akram. Pakistan win the match by 38 runs.